Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Learn French by Simran. So in today's video, we are going to do ER ending verb in French. So in French, there are three group of verbs. That is, the first group of verbs are the verbs that end with ER. The second group are the verbs that end in RE. And the third group of verbs are the verbs that end in IR. So in this video, we are going to learn the verb ER ending verb. So let's begin. Now, the first group of verbs are the verbs that end in ER. So as you can see, I have written ER ending verb parler. This will be pronounced as parler in French, and you can see here it is ending in ER and it means to speak. Now the first step is to write the subjects, and as you can see here I have written all the subjects here, that is sujet in French. Now I have written je, which is I, tu, which means you and it is used in informal situations. The next is il, which is used for he, that is male, singular. And the last is elle, which is used for she, singular. Now, we will do the conjugations. Now, the first step is to write the, omit the ending. Now, first we wrote all the subjects. Now, the second step is to, of the conjugation is to omit the ending. Now, what is the ending here? The ending is ER here. Now, what we will do? We will write till PARL only. Now, in with all the subjects, I have written PARL. First, you have to do this. This is the first step, okay? PARL, PARL, PARL. You have to do with all the subjects like this. This is the first step. Now, the second step is to write the endings. Now, the endings with all the subjects is different. Now, the ending with je would be E. Now, as we wrote PARL, we omitted the ending ER. So, we will write E here. And it will become je parle, which means I speak. Now, next is tu. Now, with tu, the ending is ES. Because we omitted the ER, and here the ending with tu would be ES. It will end with ES. So, it will become tu parle, which is you speak. Now, the next one is il. And with il, the ending would be E. PARL, this was our first step. We wrote it like this, and the ending would be E. And it will become il parle, which is he speaks. Now, the next one is L. Now, with L, the ending would be the same. It will end in E. That is, it will become elle parle, which is she speaks. Now you have to see here the conjugation. The ending with il and l is the same. It will remain the same. It was il parle and the next is elle parle. So it ended with e. So the endings for both il and l will remain the same. Now the next subjects are nous, vous and il, elle, which are these two are plural. Okay, il means he, elle means she, and they are used for group of males and females. So the next subject is nous, which means we. Okay, so the conjugation with nous would be PARL, and because we omitted the ER, again we will write PARL as it is. Okay, and the endings with nous would be ONS. It will become, and the pronunciation will be parlons. It will be parlons, and together it becomes nous parlons. And the meaning would be we speak. Nous parlons. Okay. Now our next subject is vous, which means again you in French, and again it is used in, as we know, it is used in formal situations. Okay. So the conjugation would be, first we do the first step, that is PARL, omit the ending and write PARL till L. Now the ending with vous would be EZ, and it will become parler, that is to speak. The pronunciation would be parler. Okay. So now here whenever you see EZ in French, it will always be pronounced as A. As you can see here, we pronounced is parler. It is sounding A. So whenever you see EZ in French, it will always be pronounced as A. Okay. So it will become vous parlez, that is you speak, and it is used in formal situations only. Now our last subjects are il and elle. Now both of these are plural. Il is used for he, a group of males, and elle is used for a group of females. So the conjugation with both of them would be same. Okay. So it will be PARL, and the ending would be ENT, because the endings with all the subjects are different. But with il and elle, whether it is plural or singular, with il and elle the endings would remain the same. As we saw earlier, with il and elle singular also the endings were the same, the conjugation was the same. So similarly with plural il and elle the endings would be same. So it will end in ENT, whether it is il or whether it is elle. Okay. So the pronunciation would be like this: il parle. Now here ENT would not be pronounced, it is silent. And elle parle. Okay. So in English it would mean they speak. Because in English there is no il and elle. For plural we use simply they in English. So we'll call it they speak, which is il parle and elle parle. Okay. So that's it. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.